Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Dego Finance. Dego Finance is re-entering the same falling wedge pattern that was previously broken down in the month of May 2022. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 16th of July, when Dego Finance completed a harmonic bullish reversal regardless setup. And I told my members that from here we can expect a pump. And this was the chart. And by the way, this was on the 4-hour time frame, even on the 2-hour time frame, not on the 4-hour. And this chart I shared with the Bitcoin pair, and our buying zone was from 816 and goes to 0.0000789. And while trading this harmonic pattern, we set our stop loss below this potential reversal zone, and below this level we had this support here approximately at 7.6. And if I play this chart, then we can see that the price line slightly moved down and tested the next support at 7.6. And after testing this support, we had a powerful pump that was more than 23 to 24%. And right now it is moving here. And if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then well, it is moved up from this potential reversal zone. At the same time, with the Bitcoin pair, it has re-entered the same wedge pattern. And I'm expecting that once we will have the closing on the weekly time frame, then this breakout, because this previous support of the wedge was working as a resistance, then this breakout of this resistance will be more confirmed. However, on the daily time frame, we have completely broken it out. You can see that we were having several rejections. We broke it down here on 9th of May, and we were rejected here, here, and here. Several rejections we had on this daily time frame chart. And recently, after this rejection, even though we had a big spike, but we got rejected, and right now we are completely entered inside this big falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at this resistance, this price level resistance that we have above the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern that we have here at $3.45. And previously this level has been working as a support here, and for several weeks it has been working as a support here. And once it was broken it down, it was broken down here, by the way, in the month of Feb 2022. Then it flipped into a resistance, and after getting several rejections, the price line moved down and even broke down the support for a while. But that was a fake out to the downside, and now we are re-entered the same wedge. Therefore, even after breaking out this resistance of the wedge, we will still need to break out this key resistance of $3.45. And after breaking out this resistance of $3.45, there will be a very high probability that soon we will hit the target of this bigger falling wedge pattern that will be here at the top of the wedge at approximately $30. And right now you can see that we are moving at less than $2. And here we also found another support and resistance as well. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and other bounce here. Therefore, we cannot ignore this support and the resistance here as well. So there is also another formation of the down channel. If I remove the support and resistance of the bigger falling wedge, then you can see that we have reached the resistance of this smaller down channel as well. Therefore, I'm expecting that after breaking out this down channel, there will be a high probability that we will also break out the bigger falling wedge and also this resistance of $3.45 as well. Therefore, next few hours can be really very important, maybe a few days or few hours, because we have reached the resistance of the channel, and after breaking out this resistance of the channel, we can expect this bigger move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.